DIY natural deodorant, a healthy, chemical-free alternative. In recent years, interest in natural and organic products has been growing. Those who adopt a healthy lifestyle prefer skincare with the foods and products nature offers, instead of chemical ingredients. Using a natural deodorant helps keep your skin free from chemicals and allows it to breathe. If you want to feel fresh and revitalized without harming your skin, the DIY natural deodorant recipe is perfect for you. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of powder, 3 drops of jasmine essential oil. Instructions: put all the ingredients in a bowl and mix them well. Be sure the mixture becomes homogenous. Slowly stir to ensure all components blend together. Once mixed, transfer the mixture into a clean jar or bottle. You can now easily use it on your skin throughout the day. Benefits of natural deodorant. The greatest advantage of natural deodorants is that they prevent the odor of sweat without blocking the sweat glands. Almond oil moisturizes your skin, preventing dryness and irritation. Your skin will remain smooth and soft without disturbing its natural balance. Powder absorbs sweat and keeps your skin dry, so you feel fresh all day long. Jasmine essential oil not only leaves a wonderful scent, but also has a calming and energizing effect, making you feel more lively. Jasmine, with its stress-relieving and aromatherapy properties, nourishes your skin. Many chemical deodorants contain ingredients like aluminum and parabens, which can have negative effects on your skin health. However, with a natural deodorant, your skin can breathe while protecting your health. Additionally, this natural recipe is easy to make at home and affordable. Opting for organic products instead of chemical deodorants is beneficial not only for your health, but also for the environment. Moreover, these products minimize the risk of irritation and are ideal for sensitive skin. Plus, you can enjoy a fresh and pleasant scent without harming your skin. Ideal usage: apply the natural deodorant you've made to your cleansed and dry skin. The almond oil will easily penetrate your skin, while the powder will leave your skin with a dry feel. With jasmine essential oil, you'll experience both a refreshing and aromatic experience. For those wondering how to make natural deodorant at home, this recipe is a great place to start, offering a healthy and economical solution. It's a perfect alternative for those looking to avoid chemical ingredients. Natural deodorant is the most effective way to protect your skin without exposure to harmful chemicals. It helps not only for healthy skin, but also makes you feel free and fresh. If you care about skincare with natural products, you must try this recipe.